Jim. It's time to lock in today's lesson. So, if you've been listening to everything I've been saying over the past few months, I've talked about how summer is typically lower volatility, not as many trading opportunities, not as much volatility. Generally not a good time to overtrade or to be too active in the market, and that has played out again. This year has not been that much different to previous years. May, June, July offered very little in way of trending moves. Bitcoin spent most of it between 72 and 52, 53, 54. So, a bit of a down move, bit of a bounce. It's really been just a consolidation. Now, people will talk about their expectations for bullish end of the year, or we're going to have a good Q4, last quarter, or whatever. In my experience, it tends to come when you don't quite expect it. So, my own approach in this past week or two has been way more active in trading, and I intend to continue that. I still think, if I had to guess, that August may be a choppy month. It might not be a big trending month. And we may not even get this next big rally or big breakout or whatever, but the early signs are there. And so the purpose of this lesson is a reminder to get yourself dialed in. If you're not already, get your habits and processes in line. Have your daily analysis. Make time for it. Morning journal, end of day review. What do you do to analyze the market? What charts do you look at? What systems are you trading? What are you waiting for? What are you looking for? What news are you reading? Get a consistent process if you don't have it. Get the habit of doing it every single day. Even if you haven't been doing that to now, start doing it from now on. Because if we get another big bull market move and we get a big breakout and a big trend, it's going to catch people by surprise. It always happens. October to March, 6 months of basically up only. And then the last few months have been quiet and everyone's kind of fallen asleep. And you almost forget how aggressive and how violent the moves can be when they come. The gains and the rewards come to those who are the most prepared. Being prepared is simply knowing what you're supposed to do and when you're supposed to do it. If you're a swing trader, you should have your systems built, set up, ready, waiting for your trigger. If you're a position trader, higher time frame trader, you should be accumulating or have coins already and understand where you want to add trades on top, where you want to potentially take profit. The plans you lay now are what's going to guide you through the next 6 months. And the most important part, there's no guarantees that any of this will happen, but you're preparing for an eventuality, because if it does happen, the upside rewards are asymmetric. You could be wrong that there's no massive trend happening, right? We're not going to go to 100k Bitcoin in the next 6 months. Maybe that won't happen. But if it does happen, those who are prepared will be the ones who capitalize. Those who have their plan for altcoins after, Bitcoin has its run, or Solana or ETH. Those who have looked ahead into the future and think, what could be the hot narratives? What are the meme coins or AI coins or real world asset coins or whatever? What coins have been building solid bases? What coins have been in consolidation for the past few months? Which coins and which narratives have been weak versus strong? What are the things I should be looking at for the next several months? Because if we do get a repeat, even a half as big as 2021, half as big as 2017, it's craziness. Every day there's stuff flying, coins pumping, new narratives, new people coming in, money's being made everywhere, and it's super overwhelming and confusing if you are not prepared. The way you get prepared is by laying those plans now. Ask in the chats, share your ideas for what you're planning to do for the next few months to maximize the opportunity. If you're somebody who has a job and you're working on cash flow, what is going to be the time? You're going to carve out 30 minutes or 60 minutes per day to analyze the market, to manage your trades, to open, close, whatever you need to do. How are you going to do it? How are you going to manage it? What are you going to use? Are you going to use alerts, notifications, alarms, what app you're going to use, what way you're going to track it, where you're going to log everything. Share these ideas in the trading chat or in the blue belt chat or the purple belt chat or wherever, depending on what style of trading and what stage you're at. Get into the swing trader chat, the scalp trader chat, the day trader chat. Have the plans laid out. Compare them with your fellow students. Learn from others. Share with others. And get yourself into a position where you're prepared. Preparation.